Welcome back. Today we'll be making some chicken curry. Not curry chicken, but chicken curry. Because in this recipe I use ground chicken and not whole chicken. Let's get started. To boiling water and olive oil. Let's add some cauliflower, broccoli, corn, and carrots. Let these cook for just about 5 minutes. Then on medium-high heat, add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a pan and add some shallots, about 3 chopped shallots, and sauté until translucent. You may also use onions, but I prefer shallots because they have a more fragrant flavor to them. Add some curry, lots of curry. Your kitchen should be smelling like curry, and if it's not, then guess what? Add some more. Give the curry a good mix with the shallots, then add some ground chicken. And you will notice I will not be adding any more seasoning to the chicken because it has already been previously seasoned from the night before. Give it a good stir and allow the chicken to thoroughly cook. Just a quick check on the veggies and they're good. You still want them to have a nice crunch to them and not fully cooked. The ground chicken at this point has thoroughly cooked, and this is really what you want it to look like. You want it to take on the actual yellow color of the curry. So now let's add some coconut milk, about half the can of coconut milk. I use Thai kitchen coconut milk because I really like the smell of it and I feel like it gives so much more flavor unlike other brands of coconut milk. Half a can is really all you need for this recipe, so go ahead and give it a good mix to incorporate all the flavors. Once everything is well combined, let's add all the vegetables and let them cook for about 5 minutes so the vegetables can absorb all the flavor of the curry and the coconut milk and all the other seasonings that you used. Once it's all done, go ahead and turn off the heat and add some diced tomatoes, and there you have it. Healthy, delicious, and easy chicken curry. Easy, simple, healthy chicken curry.